Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into top products. Today, we're diving into the MQHUAYU 2-piece garden Obelisk trellis, a fantastic choice for your climbing plants outdoors. If you're looking to enhance your garden with style and functionality, stay tuned. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this product promises to elevate your gardening game. So, what sets this trellis apart? Let's dive into the details. It stands tall at 65 inches, offering ample space for plants like cucumbers, tomatoes, or even jasmine to climb and thrive. Made from durable metal tubes with a rust-proof PE plastic coating, it's built to withstand the elements, ensuring longevity and reliability in any weather condition. One of the standout features is its adjustable design. You can customize the height to suit different plants and their growth stages, providing optimal support throughout their life cycle. Installation is a breeze with its tool-free assembly, simply snap together and secure with plastic clips. What's great about this trellis is its space-saving design. By encouraging vertical growth, it maximizes your garden space, allowing you to cultivate more greenery even in limited areas. Plus, its minimalist style blends seamlessly into any garden aesthetic, adding both functionality and beauty. Wrapping up, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish solution to support your climbing plants, the MQHUAYU Garden Obelisk Trellis ticks all the boxes. From its weather-resistant construction to its adjustable height feature, it's clear why this is a favorite among gardening enthusiasts. Don't forget to check the description box below for more details and where to purchase. And if you've enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful product critiques. Until next time, happy gardening! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Product Critique. Take care.